Folks, Elon Musk might be the face of Tesla and the biggest name in electric cars, but not everything in his garage runs on batteries. While the world sees him behind the wheel of futuristic Teslas, what he drives in private is a whole different story. From rare classics to unexpected gas guzzlers, Musk's personal car collection is full of surprises. Today, we're taking a closer look inside Elon Musk's secret garage. These aren't the typical Teslas you see on the road. Some of them are legendary machines and others are downright oddball choices for a billionaire who's trying to change the way we drive. And wait till you hear about number 3. It's a car so rare, even Musk had to get special permission to buy it. Let's start the countdown with number 10, 1978 BMW 320i's. Let's start with something humble. Elon Musk's very first car was a 1978 BMW 320i. Not a supercar, not electric, just a simple used German sedan. He bought it for $1,400 back in the 90s after moving to California. It wasn't fast or fancy, but Musk has said it gave him freedom and independence. He even fixed it up himself using junkyard parts. But here's the funny part. The car eventually lost a wheel while a friend was driving it. That story still makes the rounds among his old college buddies. This BMW might not be in his garage anymore, but it holds a special place in his history. It's where his journey on the road and toward becoming a billionaire really began. 1997 McLaren F1. Now we jump from humble to wild. Elon Musk once owned a 1997 McLaren F1, one of the fastest cars of the 1990s and still one of the most legendary supercars ever built. Only 106 were made, and Musk bought his brand new after selling his first company, Zip2. This car could hit over 240 miles per hour and had no electronics, just raw power from a 6.1-liter V12. But Musk didn't just keep it in the garage. He drove it everywhere, even to meetings. Unfortunately, the car didn't stay perfect forever. In 2000, Musk crashed the F1 while giving a ride to PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel. The car wasn't insured, and it got pretty banged up. Still, it's one of the boldest cars he's ever owned. 2012 Porsche 911 Turbo. Even though Musk champions electric vehicles, he's still a fan of great engineering, and the Porsche 911 Turbo is exactly that. He bought a 2012 model and has been seen driving it occasionally in Los Angeles. The 911 Turbo is a mix of performance and luxury. It's fast, comfortable, and sticks to the road like glue. Musk once said that Porsche's design and engineering were part of what inspired him to push Tesla further. This one's a gas-powered ride, but it's a reminder that Musk appreciates a great car, no matter what's under the hood. Tesla Roadster, original. Here's the car that started it all for Tesla. The original Tesla Roadster is lightweight, fast, and all-electric. Musk not only drove one, he also used it for something no one expected. In 2018, he launched his personal red Tesla Roadster into space aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. Yes, a real car is orbiting the sun right now, with a dummy in the driver's seat wearing a SpaceX suit. But he didn't just send one into space. Musk still owns a Roadster back on Earth too. It's a reminder of Tesla's roots and one of the first electric cars that proved performance didn't need gasoline. Ford Model T. Now this one's all about respect for history. Elon Musk owns a Ford Model T, the original mass-produced car that changed the world. A gift from a friend, it's a piece of automotive history that Musk keeps in his collection. The Model T isn't fast. It's not even easy to drive. But it represents something Musk respects deeply: innovation that shaped the future. Henry Ford's vision with the Model T inspired Musk's own goals with Tesla. This car doesn't come out of the garage often, but it stands as a symbol of how far the industry has come and how far Musk wants to take it. Jaguar E-Type Series 1. Some say it's the most beautiful car ever made, and Elon Musk agrees. He owns a Jaguar E-Type Series 1, the sleek British sports car from the 1960s. He fell in love with it after seeing one in a magazine when he was 17. Years later, after making some money, he bought one for himself. But owning it wasn't all joy. The car turned out to be unreliable and broke down often. Still, Musk kept it, probably because it's more than just a car. It's a childhood dream come true. Even billionaires have garage queens that frustrate them, and the Jag is Musk's. Audi Q7. You probably didn't expect an SUV on this list, but Musk actually drove an Audi Q7 for a while. It's big, powerful, and roomy, good for someone with 5 kids. But the Q7 is more important than it seems. Musk has said that the car's poor design helped him decide to make the Tesla Model X. He found the third-row access so terrible that he wanted to do better. So the Model X's falcon wing doors? You can thank the Q7 for those. Lotus Esprit Wet Nelly. This one's straight out of a James Bond movie, literally. Elon Musk owns the actual Lotus Esprit Submarine Car used in the 1977 film The Spy Who Loved Me. Nicknamed Wet Nelly, it might look like a regular sports car, but in the movie it transformed into an underwater vehicle. Musk bought it at auction in 2013 for $997,000 and admitted he was a bit let down when he found out it didn't actually work as a sub. Still, he was so inspired by it that he hinted at building a real, functional version someday using Tesla and SpaceX tech. For Musk, it's more than just a cool collectible. It's a mix of childhood fantasy, pop culture, and a new engineering challenge. The Lotus sits proudly in his collection as a reminder that imagination and innovation can go hand in hand, even if they start with a movie prop. Tesla Cybertruck, pre-production prototype. While the public waits to get their hands on the Tesla Cybertruck, Elon Musk has been driving an early pre-production prototype around California and Texas. It's massive, angular, and still gets people pointing when it passes by. The truck has already become a pop culture icon, and Musk uses it regularly to test improvements. He's been spotted in it at In-N-Out, on job sites, and even picking up guests. Some say it's all part of the marketing, but Musk seems to genuinely enjoy driving this beast of a truck. Tesla Model S Plaid. At the very top of Elon Musk's personal garage is the Tesla Model S Plaid. And it's not just for show. This is the car he drives the most. With a 0 to 60 mph time of under 2 seconds, it's the fastest production sedan in the world. No gas-powered car can compete with that kind of acceleration. Musk has called it the best car ever made. And coming from the guy who helped design it, that's a big statement. The Plaid isn't just fast, it's quiet, smooth, and packed with tech. It's got over 1,000 horsepower, a minimalist interior, and the ability to beat supercars at the track while comfortably seating 5 people. Musk has been seen driving it to work, press events, and even on joyrides. While he owns all kinds of rare and exotic vehicles, the Model S Plaid is one of the few he actually uses every day. For Musk, it's the perfect mix of performance, purpose, and pride. So there you have it, a peek into Elon Musk's private car garage. From rare classics to one-of-a-kind movie cars, and of course, the Teslas that change the world. It's clear that Musk doesn't just build cars, he lives and breathes them. Some of these choices make sense, others, not so much. But that's what makes it interesting. Whether it's a $1 million McLaren or a spacefaring Roadster, every car in his collection has a story. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the world's most fascinating people and their wild machines. Catch you in the next one.